In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to LinkedIn. If you want to make your LinkedIn posts more engaging, adding a video is a great option. Video can help you share updates, highlight your work, or connect with your audience in a more personal and dynamic way. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few clicks. To get started, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see posts from your network, companies, and creators you follow. Make sure you're signed into your account and fully loaded into the feed before moving on, so all the posting options are visible. Once you're on the feed, look for the post creation area near the top of the page. This is the section where LinkedIn invites you to start a new post. Under that area, you'll see several content options. Find the one labeled video and click it. This tells LinkedIn that you want to create a post that includes a video file, rather than just text or another type of media. After you click video, a file selection window will appear. In that window, choose the option to upload from computer. This allows you to browse the files stored on your device and select the video you want to share on LinkedIn. When choosing your file, make sure you're selecting the correct video version, especially if you have multiple edits or drafts saved in the same folder. Once you've selected your file, LinkedIn will begin preparing it for upload. Depending on your video size and internet speed, this may take a moment, so give it a little time. It's also a good idea to double check that your video is clear, professional, and appropriate for your audience before publishing. And that's it. You've now started the process of adding a video to LinkedIn by opening the feed, choosing the video option, and uploading a file from your computer. If you're using video to promote your brand, share expertise, or post an update, this is one of the easiest ways to make your content stand out in the feed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly understand how to add video to LinkedIn.